my stuffs online. Proud of anything you they do online. I be proud blogger online. SammyKay.com online. Go check my stuffs online. Proud of anything you they do online.
Yeah.
Hey, you sound sick coming.
Money.
Tomorrow.
Yes,
We know what social media.
yeah, the emoji show up for una. Madam, let the time. Why, I see technology.
Nana Yauji, the Connect FM in Takrade, has sent me a very message. In fact,
Thank you. Hey, who check me temperature? Oh, we are not wearing the so cheap.
No, we are maintained.
And me cheapness now for every bit to say, if you are going to make it than pass, maybe I will laugh. If you are grand, you want.
Ah, there's a whole bunch of
Not yet, maybe you want. Maybe within 5-10 minutes, what will be over Casawabre? No tapping me, I'm a sorry speak.
Ah, there's a we are cheap.
Meaning there because
sorry,
no. Same home beba na me kasa me mfele dia me too because me ho ya me dey ebi kaka bebe I benika ebi kaka bebe ma o ti ase
there be
I am me dan so ya me ya in ka ni kasa sha me won me so o ti ase the same thing every day
ah and that's a wood no be share na say ofefi kakra bi kra o beba
no enya ba no na me ka me pa say even if say we play even if it's 1 hour na ya ho abewie which obi wo ho na obekasa
bro be rest
but me dey tap me I'm sorry
and no more then you are always ready
and I'm cheapness so count
no but they no need cheap
oh me who say cheapness
enviable position I can tell you
me side me who say cheapness what you say
okay
it's naturally me who
ba me so mu abesa ba
oh but me sorry
and no be ma so mu abeba
and yes say e ba no na ya asem no
no like obesa ready
no wait say obesa ka say oh ye bi what obi wo ho na obeka say it's okay I'm tired yes but me because of me cheapness need to be sorry.
Oh,
you got it.
I got it. Hey, American man. I don't know about you. Or bank one, it's me, man. So I'm a bema so it's your man.
Maybe just my bank one and another.
Oh, you say beam to me, members.
Me and your star.
And Bema, you are coming back to the Bema to me, so man, so never. Hey, and I want you cheap.
Oh, cheap, no, your bar side.
By member side,
Obiane, taste. It means we better.
It will to never be as your pedal.
Oh, David.
Them approach you that.
David.
Nana.
Say, oh, come here, dear David.
Me, Max, man, yes, specific. Magazine, come here. Them be approach you.
Never approach me that.
So, pal.
Oh, one cast of yourself, madam, for but I knew where he was coming from because of my style is in your home, so perhaps now I can say, yeah.
It's your muti who now, based on the way you look, they can tell, say, oh, we can.
Oh, and yes, I'll kind of want some. I'm on bus straight in my country, some open you.
No, me saying.
But as Sammy Yakola, as the conversation goes on, I know where it's going to lead into. I'll just avoid it or I'll just cut you.
Now, I didn't want to own pet Bema.
But it's not my style.
Does it have to be your style before?
Of course. It's some coffee baby, I'm a fetish. And it's got nothing to do. I don't interest in Pani and Pabonini. Africa had on yen soon idea be na we be catch us say evil spirit is not an evil spirit maybe soon to anyama hu nyama be obi wo woni homo so ya hwie ye o ba bono fa ni hwie je mu still nothing can no but it's up to you the individual to control it.
But most people think you also have that hormone
like I know a lot of people who behave feminine or have feminine features but that doesn't mean they like their fellow men.
No, but don't you have female hormones?
Don't I have? I know I have.
You know you have.
I know I have. Reality of life. I can. There's nothing I can do about it. Okay. So should I kill myself?
No, don't. Wow. It's wood and you control it. Or control it. It's in a man.
No, and yes I be controlling. My partner say. Fetish as American. I go cheer. You want to more weird fetish. Obi want to person or licky obi toe. And then any fetish.
Yeah.
But the Americans say.
But we are near Tom.
What's it?
No,
say example. Tell me to me, mommy, now. Me to me, mommy, now. What you say? Into the all be free choice now. It's up to you. So I can say, oh, idea me. You mean say, you're weird. Maybe society empty. It is up to you to control it. Because when you say I didn't count to actually you say be aware say uja not say oh that wow.
Okay.
Because one woman that woman is I told no offer.
Okay.
So it's up to you to be there. Targeting one case why then what control it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how I know it works.
It is that what informs your piercing? Like the feminine hormones, you know?
No. For me I like piercings and it's my fetish. So
What piercing how many? How many piercings?
I don't have piercings anymore. I used to have about 36, 38 piercings.
All over your body?
Yeah, my face everywhere, some part of my body.
Whoa, some parts, even the private part.
Yeah, but not no more. See, there's something. Besides you, see, I don't have piercings anymore. I don't have piercings no more. I just have normal earrings. Sulinam that guys wear, and I'm good to go.
Even if she were neighbor.
My nipple, I do.
You have some on your nipple.
Yeah,
Who appears now?
Yeah.
Now I don't know what do you do? A match so much older now.
And also casting level now.
Increase that.
I made a person no menu for pa.
I open no phone.
So no man bear 1 hour as I go start.
As I go start. It is a one about one pen no one no for.
Oh, that be no there why I need video.
It's
all no menu for now some salt me now lamatoes me on. That be no lamatoes me just oh yeah me nyama something is happening to my chui. Oh be yeah makoma. As I go and start.
For that cheapness never.
I will go
What's so cheap? They are never.
Oh, cheapness never. I will cry no come cry. Yeah.
And that's a woman yet a member now more than war or more hair mununko.
Ninya come, miss.
No, but I find that effective. No phone. Don't any food soda.
No. Say the food them embody in your
Never do this.
Sir.
Yeah, very good. Most of them are pay no for your pet. Don't see a few no for more. You're Afia with million for sure.
Oh, maybe near for
Million for sure. And crystal clear.
No, I haven't seen anything like that.
White is a member so.
No, I haven't seen anything
like
that.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, but it's good that we have them who pass and mass and my nature. Yeah. But does it also inform your choice of friendship?
As in?
Like those feminine hormones, you know, does it inform your choice of friendship? Like, am I open mad and for more?
Oh, because of society's view of who I am in this country, I normally don't like playing with males. I have a lot of male friends too, but I don't like hanging out with them. Because I don't like the situation whereby someone may see me with a person and just recently, now me live videos we made about 2-3 days ago. And I was calling my friend Razak, and someone went to write on the comment, hey, the way you are calling Razak, they have not told you. That means
so that's Razak.
That's not his name, but that's the name I use.
Yeah, because I also watched the video.
Yeah, the way you are calling Razak, yeah, that means Razak is your boyfriend. I mean, like
no, but there was so many guys in there. Let me take other voices.
But that's the comment I read, and that's what I saw. So I'm person because of me but if I'm with you and you are cool with it, fine. Because when person because of me to be bad name, I reckon when you be in a meeting. Do you understand what I mean? So most of my friends are females.
Because wouldn't remember now I say be
even if I've seen someone I know, and maybe I'm very strong. If I'm not strong, like right, I'm not point you work Ghana cover. But we don't make straight pepper. Even if I know someone, maybe I must stop or not maybe a male be them and casa or like I room glass down. Not obia or around say who's away. Yeah, best said if I'm say. But you can't because this I Papa no say that.
You're bad, I swear. You are.
And then your boy who say yeah, magic nigga number. Obi to me say, hey, make one but why the people they ask me say why you take my number? Why? Hey, everybody have a very come.
But because there's a perception that if you are excuse me to say we are now in member.
I know, right? I know, right?
Because you said you are not.
I know, right? I know, right?
Was it to create of the chamber?
Oh, me to be by and condemn your sexuality.
No, but we are talking about you though.
Yeah.
And I was to create of the chamber.
Yeah, I mean that's what I want. Yeah.
But you know, how did you become a friend to Afia?
Do you really want to talk about this?
How did you become a friend to her? I want to know.
I've known Afia for like 10 years now. On the delay program, Afia Scwarzenegger. Yeah.
That was where you met her.
Yeah.
And I'm better than for.
Yeah.
Do you know who more amount who chooses or didn't bear now?
Because it's like we have most things in common, man.
Like what?
Everything I do, she does.
No, my examples. If it is a day.
Oh, and yes, after I remember my examples, but
no, but
it's short.
Everything you do.
As in send I'm a style, say the way I like to clap, the way you understand. It's like that. So we became so close. People might delay and cause I jealous. Say, hey nigga, you came to meet this bitch at my bad. Ube share girl we were me show so but that's it. I know when I am madam for no. This year I wait the years in China. Only more better. You understand?
Also delay, not delay what done for.
I got to know Deloitte through Pascal in Edwards.
Yeah. Okay.
And home it was set. Pascal me call set so I'm talking madam for now. Or Jamie number and we exchanged and she called me to come and shoot.
With the Afia Scwarzenegger series. Okay. So I wonder who Afia number and for. And I will be a bosom friend because those times in videos who defending all the time.
Yeah, that's how I am.
Yeah, at what point in Amazing Adam?
At time I many Afia call Mesbel Fee. Yeah.
So Afia was your friend before you met Mesbel?
Yeah.
And at that time, not Mesbel Afia.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You know, that's where Mummy and Sam were now for.
Yeah.
How was it like?
Oh, very cool. Very, very cool.
Bema Bako Adam Mountain.
Me and Casa fit to be in collaboration with female friends. More than male friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. And a male friend was America boy, I'm most of the time I papa open you for.
Don't young guys.
No, no problem. Yeah. Yeah. In person, I can say you know be a crossing.
I hope you answer the answer.
Yes, no, especially some only glass don't say media.
So how was the friendship like? Were you tilted towards one than the other?
Oh no, not at all. You know when I met Mesbel, Mesbel is a gun, and I'm saying a gun.
Yeah.
Into Emma, we never very close. Into even say you walk up when you feel when I come in crying, and if you will be like, hey, tonight you are taking my friend from me. You understand? I say, you understand what I mean? Yeah. So that's how it was.
So it made you. And I'm a fiancé now who Mesbel, but who Mesbel now a gun and the connection became tight.
Yeah. Not more than if you though.
Oh, so you were still connected?
Yes, very. Yes. But it's just like yeah. I mean I don't easily make friends or accept people in my life, what you say.
Yeah.
But then I'm crying come on never saw you know and you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
It's I had 3 nice big family. Yeah.
So Mube had 3 nice big family, everything was going on well. So what happened? Suddenly BBIGJ. It's only I be Martina Bessa no one needing come to understand how we can resolve this whole thing.
Do you think we are going to resolve something?
Yeah, it's possible we can. There's nothing impossible. Especially in despite media. So my dear friend United Showbiz. And I'm saying have unity in your promoting.
Yeah.
So it's possible we can fix it. But before you fix something, you need to know the problem. Where it started from.
You could know the problem, but I think it's going to be very, very difficult for you.
Why do you say so?
We will get there, so let's start.
No, why do you say it's a bit difficult?
Because I decide before I cut people in my life, and to bring it back, you may force me to do it, but I'll be scared. Do you know why?
No.
Because there are certain things I will say or have said that I know for the rest of your life. Oh, dream. So me, before I was, I'm not stupid. Before I will start even raining insult on someone, I have decided.
Before.
So the unity may come, but we can't be friends. Do you understand? Because when you say me power, I'm slow poison man. Yes. Because I'm a killing words at you, and as my can no correct.
So now the next say we need Boniface.
And you're Boniface as a mom. We are humans. Me, there are some things when you say to me as a friend, we are done. Even if a no be so pony a boom poor. Say when my baby is you and more on. Come on, let's be real here. Want to make a kaka can send me in Germany now we are saying somebody other before. Me, my world, it doesn't work that way.
People have bad days.
Me, my world, it doesn't work that way. There are some things when you say to me, it's over. So I say how can it be a bit my pastor, but Ebiana send your open on the moon and say I disrespect someone to me, you know. Yeah, it will be very difficult for me to tell you the truth.
Didn't see it.
Then they see saying
no, because Jonathan was some video on social when Afia and Abrakwa issue by
so that alone should tell
I was
Ghanaians,
envious of your relationship.
So that alone should tell Ghanaians who I am.
Yet me and Danfo say Emma through difficult times they are still there for you.
Yeah. That's why I have few friends. I have limited friends. I choose my friends.
The friends don't choose.
No. It is a minimum bonk when I'm baby. I mean, so mummy and saying I'm a bonk. Many of cats as I know, they know their kind if you can't move back.
It was that thing is breaking Adam Fono. Adam for more than a decade. What really triggered it?
Do you know, Ola? We break up for like 6 years. Many if you're high and casa.
How?
So only delay no problem now.
Okay.
We break up and
it only delay no problem now. So many no problem.
Because delay never done for that time, and delay called me and gave me an option. Said, me choose between only if you. Because
I would choose you.
Only delay because I was working for her at that time. Because I didn't know if you from nowhere, and I'm delayed when I'm at home.
But only if you are very tight.
No, after 6 years, I apologized on air because she didn't do anything to me. That's how I am.
Okay.
She didn't do anything to me.
But because you had to choose job over
yes,
friendship.
yes. And you ever say here nice. That's the meaning say.
But yes, I now only bad. She accepted you.
Oh, of course. We
Okay.
then I'm American, but she was taking advantage of me.
How?
A whole lot of things went on, and she thought that because I've left the delayed side, I have nowhere to go into my people, so she will maltreat me. And I didn't want us to quarrel for Ghanaians and delay to laugh at us. Into the end, she was home for 3 years. And
They are there show for 3 years. Okay.
Do you understand what I mean?
No, I don't, because some kind of macro.
Oh, in your money, also.
Be the end and ya wumpa.
Ola, say, ya say, if you are minimum, and I'm in penny. Now, I'm a feeling all your body. If you are did you hands, if you are so young,
Did you?
if you are a opinion or penny in frame of you.
How? Or they make
If you are come home so much. I say, I have friends, they introduce you to Ubers back with Shiani Pan on the low, I mean, minimum, and your back, and your answer. But when she did that in America, boy, no good and go chain. Oh, yes, our American, I mean, say, I think Kofuna cut, what's the audience, of course, which we can just say, if you me do coach away, me do coach away, me do coach away, move me beyond the sun and say, I'll catch you on Kofuna, walk out the a tornado and a tornado again. So if you're also a lesbian, senior one,
tornado, because you get how.
Oh, send me again. I will order affidavit by the chairman. So, they tell me sanity.
But how?
But they say sanity.
So many Ghanaians have said that, and you don't seem to be bothered.
But no, if I don't know you, why should I? But not with someone I may know nama. Sebi, we and your mabonia, I cover up for you. Sebi, I broke up at you. We only blanket. Me, I just like how we here. When I came, you were at your bedside. You were crying. We don't have freeze you. That day I took it upon myself to play my phone down Facebook Live. I defended you.
Yeah, I saw that.
Everyone saw it. And I lost a lot of people, big men, because of me. Defending if you're because they think that you'll be marriage issue.
And you should have been involved in it.
I paid about 200 million. I think I'll be here show one. You show the first day, second day, third day. No, you can ask my father. Third day, no, your friend. I'm so when meeting. They are my management at Tennessee. Send your mini if you are taking videos. I got videos in your management. I'm one person bet on the waiting more TV station one because I'm promote stupidity. They gave me back my money. We had a contract too. I can show you. Ask for my father. So because of you, I've lost a lot of things. Now I no be so. Now best snatch me actually uncle for. Say you piempo. Akwa did sika. E won ko for home penny you are so for. And at the end of the day,
Moko Gigi is cutting.
oh, said I ejuma yeah no.
Ejuma Ben.
Yeah, then I'm just sika. I say ejuma.
Really?
Yeah, maybe I didn't have any okuma.
It's more cost of you and more self and the niska of my.
Oh, yes, yeah, quite some common in your mind. My mom say hustling field, yeah, hustle. What you say?
That's how you used to survive.
And yet that's how media said Kaka, but you say, say, also come in your become, says Candy or Preto to become. But because in a Juma Ben and if I okuma, you say, nobody could become the do. But you think it was left you now. It was like say yes, and your man, your name, if you also be way or but when we get home, she pretends as if she has forgotten the money is for both of us. Yes, and me, I won't ask you.
Oh,
it has gone on for good 3 years. A lot of things. I can't even remember a lot. But then you're not a packet. But America, dear, no, now me introducing the chair Johnny. I'm catching so my talker, I'm a Johnny, a shipping mammy. And I'm sure Johnny, go see if you're Connecticut bar, just 2 hours from Bronx. 3 days now, going by Ojamisi, New York.
Johnny near Wadam for.
Yes, Ojamisi, New York. Only no baby, I'm not introducing. Yes.
Okay.
Go to Jamisi, Bronx, 3 days. Now I love your best friend London after 2 weeks. I love your say Johnny say on permit or dear say man. if you are good, if you are catching some maybe again, I want to leave it in my channel, I'm catching up so boy. So that's why the guy left me there. Sorry, I had that for. So I got fed up.
So that's where you heard.
Yes, I want them charge you know. Because why you Ghana, Americans who are hustling field, we have a better hustle no. Over you man with Gani. Now I have for what them. I didn't understand I'm would you ask me your man brown chain? No, I can't keep that kind of friend.
Did you confront an access and the question of cancer?
We're confronting. Do you think she's gonna tell me it's true? But she has done a lot of Saudi American or Ghana for those 3 years near one another. Into that confrontation, I'm going to confront them.
No, but I said, we are down for so what in once a mile, we besides that. Who have a cancer?
Where minimum? And the last minister, we are in the call in Ghana,
minister.
And son
minister now, a political minister.
Political minister, and son of me call winner. If I can't say me 1 year now. Make American, Yami, friendly place on chatting, because do America, we are. Minister Africa Jam say if is coming to America, when she calls you, don't go. And I'm saying, but you after this thing a time after anybody bow on China, but in do 1 year, many power bow on China. What can't you do me? By the time I do America, it's not just a call on everybody. What catch it? But if I have a problem with you, I was watching me back to now.
Tonight, I mean, I say, my young Fano, the trial, no, you had that problem. Where we could come with 1 century, we could come with because if you also the car the same thing, I say, was it you? No, I say Miss Bell. Also, edging the boys to be Eugene, right? That's what she said, right? I say, or to me introducing the boy, edging Miss Bell.
That thing is not true. Ghana 4 years.
How can you say that is not true?
Ghana 4 years, I say, in Topane, Miss Bell, if you and Topana.
You will come there.
Me to not the Mako. You
will come there, but why
no,
I'm coming. That one is not true?
That's what I'm saying. I'm saying if you are anyway in Topana, I'm Mako Jaffa.
Yeah, so we are Bema.
They got fire because, and yes, I'm a Jaffa. Maybe I'm a church in Semu. Because I was the assembly if you have a and I'll say, Miss Bell, Jenny boy, it's not true.
How?
If you have to go Dubai, hello, Johnny Bassmore, Miss Bell. Me want a Miss Bell friend.
Or something, yeah.
Yes. Miss Bell, I plan on the industry is can. Me want a Miss Bell. I say. I say.
I didn't guess
that's what the industry is can.
Oh, me who's you na?
Me na make a show. Me and I make a show.
Okay. Who wanna Miss Bell catch you say?
Oh friend me. And I catch him say say blanket Buffy one man. Now blanket. Okay, let me cut it short. I say blanket I started making advances on. Hey, and I'm just saying, I say so ban of a from Polana only a person so the money need in come with. And I'm saying, how? The one on some friend you have blankets open. And I'm saying, sister, yeah, I'm for me and Sunny and I'm Obia Payasan. The blankets open were free and I day. Now what am I? You're soon to me. And I'm saying, to be saying, yes. And I'm saying, to be saying, and also meaning saying, if you at the all okay, a baby before maybe. Nay, Miss One cousin girl be day or if your birthday party, I think it's about a month or 2 later. If your birthday party they cut to Yamano. And I'm catching a mess, but I mean to you because meant to me for being dance here. I've been punishing me to man. I mean, say, we say, Yadding. Menka. Into me, Mao, 10 minutes. One can't you if you are, Miaka Samading. The country if you are not a party with you. No person of a compressor of a kind of young son, and I'm someone else, and mother. No, you mean me, I say, be hammer. Meet me fine between me. And I'm sure you know for them. When I'm dating Mr. James, Miss Well, catch him as well as catch if you are. And I'll catch if you say, blanket say open. Now, see. Sister Mojo cry. And of course, share them. Go smooth ya.
Because Okanoa said, Miss Bell, the birthday I say,
fight them because men are making if you say there, minimum well in here. Miss Bell, the Kasai, but here me and son
you orchestrated the confession.
Yes, because that means I didn't want to say it. Into our share them also, you are later or buy and better said, yeah, in here, it's here because me understand because any party I say. But after a day, 2 or way, no, as I feel a relationship in my day, I have hot on a boy, no, or would you when you have if you have any blanket.
Okay.
And I may as well say, Bona, in Yama be saying, and now one person of a car, ever yet said, yeah, Jamaica not must say, Abia, say, I mean, who say, Africa, say, Africa, or no man's one up to say, I will look stupid. So, being any boy, the Omudan Pamwa, sex cost what the Ombecan, the other for crowd, that person crowd, you know. If you are anything, I don't change. So why say if you have a better radio, so I can as well like in a boy?
I think about when you mean
it's a wine you.
There was a mallet. There was one my kind message business or forgotten the one. But that message was sending my Miss Girl. Or say that was the last message was sending my blog.
Sam man, me better me body din because na say I call Miss Girl fear ko body din. Obi be friend me catch him say office of why na. Me be apologize. No apologize say why. I don't come and sit on national television and national radio and don't say stuff that I don't know. And I won't come and sit here and lie for anything. Sa papa na can MPP papa bi. What you say? Hey, Afia boy.
Okay.
If you are on papa here 3 some 4 some 7 some 8 some 9 some 10 some. And just will be say me say.
You don't have evidence to that.
I've been going with her to the man's house. I can go and show you the man's house.
No, who involve yourself in the 3 some 4 some 5 some 6 some?
No, I don't involve myself, but sometimes I even bring female friends.
To the man.
To Afia, and she sends it to the man. Both of us go there. So I won't come and sit here and say stuff that I don't know. Ola,
yes, sir.
Me, I'm not those kind of people who are met that no much teacher Philip that will be no. Because me, I'm a free thinker. I know that the other year that would be trying to dance and so. And I know that the idea would done and find you the reality of life, you face it. So I won't come and sit here and say stuff that I don't know. That man, if you have been doing stuff with that man, so if you actually come and sit here and say something to I did now Papa they will be here. The man is a married man. The man is a married man. In the married man, the man is a oh boy.
Oh, say where I'm friends side chick. Is it not allowed in your books?
So why have Afia been sending girls to the man for Teresa? After she has finished sleeping with the girls, no, they not audio marco.
I thought say when I organize girls.
And American. Maybe the madam for girl because one with Afia get the number secret only get the call papa. Only get the call papa whole year, you know. For a very long time, I didn't know so I did get the number secret. Get the by me feel over catch up to why me born up a try. I'm saying yes, or say me no ko Afia on Afia the number secret. Na Afia the no call papa bi wo sakomo no. O ka sa be na bi hu ni back on no. Na omoko na mo wie a sika na papa dey be mom no. Then Afia gives her a little of the money. Then she take the rest. Into so office Afia will be fear. And that girl is crazy. I'm coming. That girl is crazy. I know her. Me na me stop her no. But at this time no me must still Afia again na. If you are getting them because of this, I mean, madam, for me, then about what you are doing, I'm a vessel. Hey, Saga don't know if you are going to be out and I'm a vessel. And a Saga in America, or not was a Saga, whatever, oh, and no cover for and my guess is about if you have a boy. Make us about you. If you papa say, nobody said, I'll say, Miss Bella, your boy, oh, boy. Huh? Now, if you are not a boy, they cannot the other when you go brass band will be a boom. Kakabo to be for boom, now should be a for boom, not go for boom. Now, we're a boy.
To know that say, oh, no, organizing man on the
and then we no to come. So no who gets now pair. No, because you need to move here. No, they are and I don't care because we understand each other. You understand? But don't go out and portray a character to people that I am a bad person and you are the good one. You are a dirty pig. Call Afia and ask her that we told her the money back home. I have never money better my only me there only me never why baby na kama fly ko da kama shoot parachute na me do baby da
ona asewa ma waka bela but tunado unim yenti ama ye ana ye hwemu issues na I say Ghana for I am many I say we are getting tired we seem to want to know I mean,
we say you are minding your own business. No, I not say go be so no. No, they have a radio, so no, I can't phone this evening. No, Kasa.
One more yaw.
I know Yaya.
No, one more yaw.
I know Yaya.
Because go to me, D. Afia Terma, me to me, you seems a 8 to a man who did that.
So I do do my term. I want just again. No card yet to say I've been one of me dinner. So if you want, Ola, if you are why you are come and forget what. Or no call down that 2 of us.
True.
Or no call down, feel free. And I think go my head.
Yeah.
In 24 why you are more can for grab board if you are boss abra. Mammy, I'm only never see Mahama running if you are the classmate no. Professor Jane Nana, if you are the classmate there some no. Where some but if you are in this I'm about abra no. If you are not about abra be. So say I'm talking about being in form. Such a bitch.
Oh, language please.
My bad.
Too early.
My bad.
But Tornado Pacho, calm down. What it? You didn't come away.
That's it.
There might be a before my wife. It's no.
Mama, me credit 5 cities. I'm talking about class.
Auto credit
5 cities. And I'm talking about
MTN.
Vodafone. Asa. You see, I mean, there may be somebody way never mammy. Wife and never mammy. I don't know. Me now, moment to move. Credit 5 cities.
Vodafone Pacho.
Mrs. Yamadia asked me this thing. First time I'm your Christian, you know. I think. And I'll not come and sit on national radio and come and lie on somebody. It is a miss when I copy the job, miss when I open the job.
But they on patch.
Men patch on because I'm not kind of me say no, so we say I said I was there. Is it? Can he come and deny it? He said, "No, my man, I'm sorry." He should come and deny it. Said, "No, my man, I'm sorry."
And let the ban quite one kind, but they all can say, "I saw now kind of you know."
It's me that we trying to pass on this.
Who trying to so. Tunado, eti onu kwani software na mo discount no enti onu kwana akobo ni.
Okay, ola, omo. Ade ni nya yet said ya masheda na mabodi bi.
No, they said
me see a video na ye.
Yes.
And I mean my example na be my reference.
To give reference.
What
I
you
say, I don't know onu kwa de na
it is so far as ono feel say or so for penyin no. No, say the man me and I am the church member before no. I was trying to say the right thing for him to do is to call me and ask me say, "Oh, my son, why?" Because I'm in good terms with him. He has my number. We've been chatting. Me quite sorry for almost 1 year or 2 years. Obia friend me say, "Dating a man ba sorry na bibi." But what the idea na come bloggers nobody go internet so. Which I think any my house number ni nyama nya. What bet na court.
Because I said no kind of very serious.
Bet na court.
Unim sir.
He said na dem kwasi na better na make am say minimum maker. I said he said it. I don't lie. Me I don't lie. If he likes, he should send me to court and let them jail me. So far as I'm better than when say no kwena make am the kwena na make am.
And some now can ye TV on film because unkwana now.
Me say man ka so la na say. And I you dey say.
Neat FM.
Me ka say neat FM say me say. And I can go and show you the restaurant in Sprinter would die your phone as well you got didi. Please, I don't like that. Nobody should tell me something quite apologize because of your mommy let us something quite apologize to you.
No, but idea or the bars.
And you know what I
say some now.
Or friend me can okay.
Now so friend no.
Me friend akade. And obi abemi let abi.
No, but some now can be a friends. Oh, daddy, me the what's
no friend me answer all them address in Yamajama command. Junior pastor some fan go internet so no. Ever me well arrest me life. Because you have papa me car glass. Every to be car back within Yamajama to.
Or the day go internet.
Say we no dey buy address in Yamajama nya wo.
Letter nana. So no address o.
No address e wo. E ko dey aba me fie yi.
Da be no bi ba fie.
Na say so say guys so be picture me fie pictures abu internet. So ye. Go YouTube na ko say.
We delete.
We delete. I don't know delete here.
E bi a wadwene won say M1.
And you are kwasia pa.
Excuse me.
And you are bua pa.
Excuse your language.
Oh, ko tell papa fie mbra. Emba to won say. Ni papa na say one room aton so no. Wa go yiri papa fi one room no a. Me akasa be the private papa ko yiri papa fi to ko ni. Me ni bisa no.
Cause I think to meet your
me say so one go yiri papa fi sa one room na me akasa be the private. E be ko yiri papa fi sa to ko ni. E wo ho. Nko so ko eni kankan zumi e na ajiri papa ko nwi afa. E wo ho no. Kankan zumi ni dem first bibi. Yes. Bed bags.
Oh, in so close.
In so so e na ajiri papa sofa mu. E wo ni one room ho no. Eni kankan zumi. Ni papa fridge no bia na fridge ni theater. Amako threaten guy no your fridge no. Kuma say somebody ni go prison because we be releasing papa secret. Now who was the papa that posting on social media no? Your papa. So why are you going to fight for another man at Atonsu? You see how fake she is. You are living a fake life in this country. Me na mo ni bi papa we wage me. Tell me ya that ba na twem. You see me we hustling field. It's been by internet so me work at 7 no be me aboa wanya dey. Wan boa me. I will never do it. Thank you.
Hey, Radinia Copo. Yes, Mamma Boati na.
We quarrel, but not that we are fighting. Quarrel is a be a why idea member, Macachero. Maybe me idea on Pano idea, Macachero. But if he is not that kind of person, she will not even listen to you.
Okay.
You understand? So if baseball does something that I don't like her, Macachero, she says in a corner. So
that's your mommy who said, oh, yeah, the same. Only Miss
idea
or like a conquanso, like only if you are with.
No.
Are we not going to see that?
No.
And the date yes.
That's the difference. No difference in a Macachero. No. That's it. Ola.
Yes.
When we are down for honor, you understand each other now. Or yeah, they now open up a channel. Say when my relationship no go.
Oh, okay.
But if why I didn't make you want to tell me say Jamaica and empathy, can the relationship go?
No. Nana, is it true? Assembly Awokai, a young cofasu baby. This dog issue. Nana, were you there?
Oh yes.
That would dinner.
Yes.
If
you are only a minute, you can even be.
We
went to a hotel in Kumasi. We went to a hotel in Kumasi. She waked me up and she said it was a Chinese hotel. Your boss been any because only Papa will cut issues. So we traveled there to go and work.
Kumasi is Bruno Benz. A Chinese hotel.
Yes, I
know a couple of Chinese hotels in Kumasi. Actually, a year, babe.
I'm saying last year or something. Last year, said
2019, I said now.
And I say, me person my papa didn't.
I'm not Papa Nidin.
Because my papa didn't probably have a American.
No, don't mention his name.
But what I'm saying is that me that and I'll catch him say, dear Laba. I told you both of us are prostitutes, so we understand each other. And I'm saying they'll be. And also Chinese one or more, they say they'll be. Now I'm going to be crime my other normal $5,000. And I'm catch and say, Miss Hardy only the means me anything. And was me new gray. And she went ahead and did it. I'm watching me down on your name, that's what you can do so. I call you in the Juma.
You don't mean it.
I told Miss Well. Miss Well doesn't know anything about it.
It's you better say I'm passing on the crown.
I don't want to come here as a
say be a drone against Sakrabai. And they be a Chinese one.
Please let me be real here. I'm telling you something. Don't try to divert the thing.
No, I want to get enough information.
What I've told you is what I've told you. When
it's Umu Kramako.
They are not pitbull. And I'm saying pitbull, the only dangerous. It's medium show. And I'll see you to train.
I bet you know I didn't let you Kramako.
James up here to train. I don't know where this guy.
Oh my be.
There be. Hey, now they are quite one point. I can't say I won't come out in here to go on my winner. The Alba go in
I swear you spoil past everything. Tenado, I didn't get you to be here. What's that mean? You invite you, Ada?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's fun being with you.
Yeah, thank you.
Dear man, I am not telling.
Oh, she said they yeah.
Is it I shall not?
I shall not call American Mark of Boca.
Now we're gonna get one
show, Debbie. I had your Monica problem.
And I pimping it, you go back to pimping it. Not me pimp you, but the man just got his own.
Pimping, me die because girls no money.
Yeah.
Open Pia Moko Church or big man now.
Yeah.
Now for the Omako account once a man near you if you are. 7 baby, I made big man be a minimum for so many years. If you can't talk about mamma. What I say, so my pimping. Oh no, call ya. You talk about it. Into my own first 7. It is said they may die because I'm evil. One be what one share no more real. Then they made the work. And at this time, and so what people were gonna have the other quite. What's the commission going to be? We do by internet.
And I'm commissioning the new chair. I won't have a commission over my
yes.
I think you're judgment or your best of me. Let me connect on our commission can create this.
The way I know.
My sharing your pimp. I saw my but I also say a fear issue now kind of about Kramano. Also, Oko can baby said 2018. Is it was it 2019?
It was the last year of the last 2 years. So I have to check the Disney one.
So you are not definite on the year.
Maybe I'm in 1 year, but maybe 2 years.
Last 2 years.
1 year.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My bro. What must you now bragging coming? But thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
I wasn't really expecting so back.
You're welcome.
Yeah, true. Who will be at Michacho?
Oh, Ministry America.
Ministry America. But soda.
Me.
Ojai.
Oh, Mejai.
Because Bibia too was sorry that in Ojai.
Oh, Bibia told me.
General Moja, sorry.
I just realized we are not here to worship God.
We are here to worship
ourselves. Yes.
Nice one.
Yeah, that's why you called me here and I'm here. Jesus won't come and sit at where you are sitting and interview me.
Jesus uses people.
Jesus doesn't use anybody.
He does.
He doesn't use anybody. Nature has given all of us gifts.
My bonfire will be a water on your no, Mahuni power.
And your part of any problem, baby. That's why bonfire man coffee.
That time,
but you two can't never be any fraud for what is here. You think you're be any fraud for the one who are a better long process. Ola, than any wine, mobile, no cross, and Yakupon than any wine. Than any wine, there's no power in the name of Jesus, please. Wine type in up. The alcohol 10%.
10%. Bible say, mommy, and a feed for a crime, I won't do that.
Bible said,
I said there shouldn't be a place where sinners are, and I shouldn't.
And who is the sinner here?
You know.
They always know how to dodge something. There is no power in the name of Jesus, my friend. There is no power in the name of Jesus.
Go check my stuff online. Proud of anything you they do online. I be proud blogger online. SammyKay.com online. Go check my stuff online.